as we await earnings, let's bring in BD8 Capital Partners CEO Doran. Barb, what about this market? I mean, given how the market closed yesterday in the last hour plus of trade, and then how it fizzled today after the first 90 minutes, the end of this rotation into small caps, I got questions. I mean, why should we believe this is still a bull market?
Well, I think the price action is a little disappointing, but it's understandable. And I think we're going to be in no man's land for a while because I think the market traded so high. I mean, if you remember, the S&P has been up 38% to its high from October last year. So it was going to take some fright or another. And when you look at the non-payroll numbers last Friday were very surprising. They were weak. And then suddenly you brought in ISM manufacturing, how weak that's been, although never mind, it's been 19 of the last 20 quarters in contractionary mode, and manufacturing is only about 11 to 12% of GDP. But really, things have not changed that much. We continue to see moderation. We're getting a lot of company reports. There's a very high percentage beating earnings, not as many this time beating revenues. So you're starting to see corporations have to focus more on margins. So growth is slowing. There's no question, but it is not collapsing. And I think it's very clear the Fed will ease in September. And I think they've got a number of reports before that, 2 PPIs, 2 CPIs. We've got the initial jobless claims and continuing claims every week. And we are going to have one more non-farm payroll report. And, if they are in line, I think those will determine how much the Fed cuts for their rate cut.
But Barb, has sentiment shifted in a decisive way? And I take, for example, NVIDIA. It was at $134 a share a month ago. It's down, I think, around 25% to closer to $100 a share. Supermicro is off 45%, I think, from about a month ago. If the AI trade were collapsing, how would it look different than this?
Yeah, I know, John, that is the other important question. I mean, fundamentals, I don't think have changed all that much, but sentiment clearly has. And there's been a fright. It's now a growth scare. Recession probabilities have gone up. Most people are still not seeing any signs of recession at this moment, but now they're afraid. And will the Fed cut in time? Well, the Fed will start to cut in a month. And I think that's then probably 2 more. So I think the Fed has plenty of ammo, to save us from some horrible recession. So, but I think in terms of sentiment, I think you are going to see, NVIDIA will report in about 3 weeks. And I think that's going to help a lot because by all accounts, the demand is greater than supply. But for now, all the high flyers, you've seen it with Eli Lilly, not just the tech names, where anything that's run up, has really been hammered. Eli Lilly down 21%. All the the Mag 7 down somewhere between 11 and 20%. So I think it's going to take some time, for them to get back to their old highs, but they do have earnings support, and they should continue to report good earnings over the coming next few years.
Yeah, and of course, we get Lilly results tomorrow morning, Novo Nordisk today, some disappointing results, which sent shares of both of those lower. We also had a not-so-great 10-year note auction today, and you have the yield on the 10-year Treasury climbing back up to 3.995. How much is that hampering this rally or creating a sell-the-rally dynamic in the market today?
Well, I think in the yields, I think you saw a little bit overreaction, just as we did in stocks, in the Monday sell-off, where yields, the world was coming to an end, and so everything went a little overboard, as we have seen can happen in markets. I think the same happened with yields. Yields are overall down, and I think that they are incorporating a slower growth scenario, and I think yields are, going to go lower as the Fed cuts. But I don't think, if you look at the credit spreads, they have widened, but they are now in line with their historical average. So we don't see evidence, and even the strong dollar, as a guest before this was saying, we don't see much evidence of calamity just around the corner.